This is interesting. Pope Gregory I decided that the person who sneezed could be told God bless you. He served as Pope from 3rd September 590 until his death and was known as Gregory the Great. He is made a saint by the Anglican Church. He was the founder of the medieval papacy and spiritualism and was described by the reformer Calvin as the last good pope. After his father's death, he converted his family's home on Caelian Hill into a monastery. During his time in Constantinople, he became very popular with the Byzantine people and became their spiritual leader. Gregory revived the missionary activities of the church and sent missionaries to the paganist Anglo-Saxons and the barbarians in the north, enabling them to become Christians. Pope Gregory I left written works after his death. Pope Gregory I died of an illness of unknown cause.